Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through some key functionalities available to resellers in My CIHUB. You'll learn how to distribute licenses to your customers, manage billing and payment information, and access and download invoices. Let's get started. Distributing licenses to users. While license managers are primarily responsible for managing active subscriptions, as a reseller, you also have the ability to distribute licenses to your customers' colleagues if needed. After logging in, navigate to My Customers page, where you'll see a list of all your customers. Then click on the name of your customer. Locate the product you'd like to assign users to and hover over the gear icon next to it. Click on the product name, which typically appears as the first option in the drop-down menu. This will open the license management section. If you're adding a single user, click on Add and fill in their email address, first name and last name in the respective fields. If you need to add multiple users at once, click on Multiple, then download the sample CSV file. Fill in the required details for each user, including their email address, first name and last name. Once completed, upload the updated CSV file here. Once you've entered the user information, either manually or through bulk upload, click the Confirm button. The licenses will now be assigned, and your customers' colleagues will have access to the tools they need. Keep in mind that the number of users you can add corresponds to the number of licenses available for the product. For example, 1 license equals 1 user, 2 licenses allow for 2 users, and so on. Managing billing and payments. To review or update billing and payment information, navigate to the Billing and Payments section from your dashboard. Here you can manage payment methods and billing details. Click on Payment Methods to view your current payment information. If you need to add a new credit card or update an existing one, enter the required details, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you've added the details, click Save to confirm your changes. To update your billing address, scroll down to the Billing Addresses section. Make the necessary changes and save them to ensure your account is up to date. Accessing and downloading invoices. To access your invoices, go to the Billing and Payments section and click on Invoices. Here you'll find a complete list of all your past invoices, including details such as the date of purchase, the invoice custom text, and total amount. To download an invoice, click on the Download button next to the invoice you want. The invoice will open as a PDF file, which you can save or print for your records. Invoices are also sent via email to the designated recipient. If you need to update the invoice recipient or modify billing details, you can do so at any time by returning to the Billing and Payments section. Paying pending invoices. If you have any pending invoices that need to be paid, navigate to the Billing and Payments section and click on Pay My Invoices. This will lead you to the My Invoices page, where you can view and pay any outstanding invoices. For security reasons, you might be required to log in again before accessing this page. If you're unfamiliar with how to navigate the My Invoices page, we recommend checking out our My Invoices tutorial video for step-by-step guidance. And that's it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage licenses, billing, and invoices as a reseller on My CIHUB. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our support team is here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.